Good morning, Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, teacher, and all my dear friends. Today I am here to say it is wealth is greater than education. Wealth is the most important part of our life. It is important life because it helps to buy medicine, fruits, etc. Wealth creates freedom. It is important of our life. Wealth helps to happiness. Thank you.
Good morning, honorable doctors, respected opponent, and my dear friend. I am Mr. Sakura from Great Life to stand in front of you. I will support wealth is greater than education. Wealth is an important part of our life. We need wealth. It needs on most sectors. Education in school, treatment and hospital. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all students here. I am Asma Mokhtar, standing here to express my thoughts on education is greater than wealth. Education is the most powerful weapon in the youth. It helps us to learn and contribute to the social advancement. It is key to successful and good life. Education is a team effort between parents, students, and teachers. It provides skills, knowledge, and the ability to think critically. Education helps us how to respect everyone, how to earn money, maintain discipline, solve problems, and make decisions. But can wealth do the same? Some might ask, is not wealth necessary to get good education? That's partly true. Wealth helps us to access good education and facilities. But education teaches us how to use it properly. So what is more valuable in long run? Temporary riches or lifelong wisdom? The answer clearly pointed to the education as it builds a strongest future, not just for individuals but for social. Education teaches us lesson of humanity. It is very important in our life. Saying this much, I want to end my speech. We all need to know that education is greater than all. Thank you.
Regarding our present here, this is Sadan Sres from grade 9 to share my thoughts on wealth is greater than education. Money can provide opportunity that education cannot. With money, we can start. With money, you can start your own business. Money is important part of our life. Without money, our life was very hard. We needed in all sectors. Wealth needed in all sectors like education. Students are educated from school. To build school, we need money. Thank you.
Today's debate function in my school on the topic of education is greater than wealth. I am on the side of wealth. Now I am going to introduce my topic. Wealth is everything for our life. Without wealth we cannot survive. We need food, clothes, and medical issues. And yet wealth can provide that, us education cannot provide that. Wealth is very important in our life. Most people cannot earn wealth and die with hunger. And we can make schools, hospitals, and other things by wealth, and that school gives us education. That wealth is greater than education. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today I am standing here to share my opinion. Education is greater than wealth. Education is very important in our life. Education gives us skill and value. It helps us to get good job and money. Education is stay us forever, but wealth can be lost. I can proudly say that education is greater than wealth. Thank you.
Good morning to all teachers, those and dear friend. Today I want to side. Today I am the side of wealth in debate. Wealth education is greater than wealth, but I believe wealth is most important. We all know that education gives learn and grow. First, ask yourself. We need a book, pencil, notebook, pen, and school uniform in a real life. If someone is hungry or sick, can education give help? No, money does. A book or a certificate cannot buy food and medicine, but wealth is, if you have money, you can buy everything. Thank you.
First of all, good morning to you all respected teachers and all of my dear loving friends. Today in this Tuesday morning, I am Karna Tamang, grade 9 from Greenhouse, standing here to share my topic on education is greater than wealth. I define education as a practice of learning and gaining knowledge and skills to become a better version. Education is getting to make a better decision. Education is very most important than wealth, because if you are not educated, earning money loss. But if you are educated, you earn money, you earn anyhow. Thank you.
Good morning to all here. This is Miss Gomparia from class 9 this year. Against wealth is greater than education. I am on side of wealth. Wealth is a big vital part of our life. Without money, life is very hard. People say, see that money can be stolen, but education can be taken, but money can provide us shelter, foods, and clothes. If you have money, you can start your own business or invest in stock to get money. Thank you.
Not everything, but without money, life is nothing. Good morning, respected chairperson, dear judge sir, my dear friends and my opponent friends. I am Samir Singh from grade 9. My earliest and warm greetings to you all. Today in this debate competition, I stand before you with firm belief and strong reasoning against the motion that says education is greater than wealth. But before I begin my arguments, I would like to ask you a simple question. Can a child living in poverty with no access to books, internet, or even food receive true education that they deserve? The answer is clear, no. Because unfortunately, education depends on wealth, not on other way around. That's why I am confidently standing here against the motion. I will prove it by facts, logics, and real world examples that wealth is greater than education in many ways. Let's begin. Education is the foundation that often makes us successful, and it is the key to success. But wealth is the hand that turns the key. We have grown up hearing that education is the most powerful weapon. But what happens when the one holding the weapon is too poor even to lift it? Education gives us the light, but wealth gives us the matchstick to ignite it. Both matters, but when it comes to opportunity and influence, wealth wins. Can we get true education without wealth? Think about it. Private schools are expensive. Colleges take tuition fees. All the resources that are required for our education, like new technology, coaching classes, internet, books, all need wealth. Wealth builds schools, wealth fund research, and wealth creates opportunities. Wealth saves, sustains the education. We cannot say that education is greater than wealth. I want you to think of an apple. Some of you might think of the fruit that fell in Newton's said, and some of you might think of the Apple company. But the common thing in both persons, Sir Isaac Newton and Steve Jobs, is they were poor scholars in their time, but they had a dream which they fulfilled. You may say education is required for that, but someone was there to sponsor their idea. That's why they fulfilled their dream. My previous opponent asked, why is school built if education was not necessary? So my honest answer is, education helps us to understand the world. However, wealth is mandatory to survive in this world. In real world, we need wealth to do everything. Even we can look, this mic costs money, this speaker costs money, this chair in which you are currently sitting, that costs money, these lights cost money. You say education can give you character, but wealth cannot buy. And educated person can only wisely manage his money. But to manage the money, he should have the money to manage it. If there is nothing, what will he manage? Let's be clear on one thing. A businessman with no formal education can run companies and employ PhDs. A farmer with wealth can hire educated people. And a brilliant mind needs investment before innovation. You say Elon Musk launched the rocket to space because of education. But what if he was very poor and he didn't afford the equipment that are required for the rocket? Will he be the successful person? No. You might know about Satyamohan Joshi, who had received Madan Award 3 times and first person in the history to receive it 3 times. But he also dropped out of school in 1998 not because he lacked intelligence, but because he lacked wealth. We can say that wealth is required in every topic. Education is a power, and wealth is the tool to apply the power. Can you tell me a person who is famous for his higher education? I think you can't answer. But if I ask you, some richest person of the world, you may say Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and many other people like Vinod Chaudhary, Mukesh Ambani. They are known worldwide because of their wealth, not because they are educated. Some people say that players should also be educated for interview. But why do they play expert? To be educated? No. They want to gain more wealth and more respect. Now I would like to conclude my speech by making one thing clear. I am not denying the value of education, but questioning the idea that it is greater than wealth, which can never be. Especially in the world where we live in today, in which it struggles to even exist without wealth. Hence, Education opens mind and wealth opens doors. In a real world where knowledge has price tags, dreams cost money, and success often depends on financial backing, I strongly believe that wealth is not just crucial but it is often greater than education. My heartiest thank you to you all for listening to me very attentively. Finally, my voice is over, and I would like to end this speech. And once again, I say, wealth is greater than education.
If money disappears in a world, what will you help? Education or money?
This currency was developed later. Earlier, people used to live without the wealth. I would like to ask you a question. If education was truly greater than wealth, why are the top universities only for those who can afford them?
By studying hard and getting scholarship.
If you really think wealth is greater than education, then why are we here at school? At this time, we should doing some jobs, earning money.
I mentioned in the speech, I am here because education helped me to understand the world. Education gave me the voice, but without money, I wouldn't be able to get admitted in any school and I wouldn't get any platform. So education gave me the voice and wealth gave me the platform.
Good morning, one and all present here. It's Mr. Chandra from grade 9 to on the side of wealth. When we come in school, but when we don't have money, we don't pay the school tuition fee, and we don't pay the tuition fee, and we don't pay monthly fee. When we have money, we should buy everything, and we should do everything in our life. When we should do job, we should need money, and we go to school, and when we don't have book copy, we don't get knowledge. We need book copy, but we don't have money. Then that is very big problem. Then money is very important. Thank you.
Respected judge, teacher, and my dear friends, good morning to you all. Today I stand before you to speak in support of education is greater than wealth. Let me begin by asking you all a simple question. Can money buy knowledge? The answer is no. But with education we can earn money. That is why education is more powerful and important than wealth. Education is the light to remove darkness of ignorance. It helps us to make better decisions, how to behave, how to think, and improve our lifestyle. Education helps us in everything. Suppose that even if we give a lot of money to uneducated person, first year they might waste it on unwanted things. But educated person with no money can use their knowledge and live a better life than they. Wealth can be lost, stolen, but education stays us with forever. My friend, we need wealth to live, but we need education to live wisely. A country with educated person is far stronger than the country with full of rich people. Education is the root, but wealth is just the fruit. Thank you.